Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell how you can fix your problem. So if just follow button not working on your Instagram, so why you see this error and how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because Instagram just block this action for you, for your account, for your device, and sometimes for your network. So you just need to try first thing, try to use another device. So if you have another phone or maybe a laptop or just iPad, just try to log in into your account from this another device and try to make some actions from this new device. And also you can try another way. So uh, just try to change your network. So if you use Wi-Fi, you receive the error on Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data and turn off Wi-Fi. And if you receive the error on cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.